Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken jalfrezi at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of boneless chicken, cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, dice 2 large onions, 3 bell peppers, and 2 tomatoes. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of rich tomato puree. These fresh components are key to a vibrant jalfrezi. Let's get cooking. Now, let's start cooking the chicken. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your chicken pieces. Cook them until they are lightly browned on all sides, which should take about 5 minutes. This step seals in the flavor. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside for later, keeping the flavorful oil in the pan for the next step. Next, we'll build the rich jalfrezi sauce. Sauté the diced onions in the same pan until they turn golden. Then, add the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Stir in the diced bell peppers, tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Finally, add the tomato puree, 1/2 cup of water, and the cooked chicken. Simmer for 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious chicken jalfrezi is almost ready. Garnish it generously with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice for a bright finish. Serve this aromatic dish hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm, soft naan bread. It's perfect for a flavorful meal at home. For more great recipes and other deals, check the description below. And remember, you can explore new stories and recipes anywhere with a Kindle Paperwhite. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.